So what's going on today, Marshall?
Hey guys, welcome back to Broadcast Performance. We're trying to go drifting at Great Lakes Dragway, but we broke down already.
Yeah, currently on a parts run. Yeah. So we'll have to clue you in on that as we go along.
Here, watch our first lap.
Hell yeah.
What's up? I think I lost power steering.
Probably lost the belt. If you didn't buy that belt. Well,
looks like we're going to oh shit.
But dude, that did way better than Dodge ever has.
Dude, that was so fucking sick.
There was definitely smoke spewing.
Yeah, dude. That fucking fitting right there.
Oh shit. Try and tighten it up once it cools off a minute, huh?
Yeah.
That's it though. Well, that's why they call it a shakedown.
Yep.
Alright. So what's going on, dude?
Alright guys, well, you've seen our first run. It was pretty dope, but we lost power steering, and our power steering high pressure fitting is stripped out.
Yeah, show them.
So yeah, we'll show them, I guess. Yeah, so right here the fitting on the end of this tubing is stripped out, and we're leaking power steering, and with the front weight that we have, we can't drift this thing. We can't turn it.
So we're gonna have better luck next time, but I guess that's why they call it a shakedown, right?
Yep. So we're gonna go spectate, guys. So enjoy watching some other people drift, and we'll even check out the drag strip too.
Oh yeah, let's go.
One more. Oh, big fucking turbo. Yeah. What is that, Dodge? See how bouncy it was?
This was European. Yeah, I already did that earlier. Alright, I'm gonna go do that. I'll be back on March 3rd. Here we go! Lined up, double bulbed in the right lane, waits on the left lane to get in there. In front of the
Maybe like a stage 2 Tacoma, but she's got to be stopped.
Those can also flip over, right?
It seems pretty stock. I feel like I can easily go that fast.
Like the first thing you would do would be, what is that, 13.4?
Yep, 13.4. Which color do you like?
French coat of WD-40 being put down.
Halloween like that?
That's awesome. WD-40, the all-purpose traction compound.
Ah, that's the color, WD-40.
Left lane will be brought to you by the ice committees. Have the engines in the bed of the truck. Leave a side ledge for chart. Yeah, look at this thing, man. Would you look at it? Look at that.
I don't know. I didn't get the hair really long enough.
The clocks are up. He's not hearing how fast it's going.
I hope he launches the parachute.
Oh, like a rocket. Can't tell you how fast he's going, but he's hauling.
I want to see that versus that Datsun. It's not a Jedi. It's not a Dot.
Well, the update with the Taco is that we actually had the complete wrong fitting for the power steering pump from the beginning. No idea how it didn't leak off the bat when we were first test driving it, but it leaked when we were at the track. So I got the power steering pump out now, getting a new fitting. That's going to be fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry we didn't have more time at the track. We were going to set up more cameras, get some outside shots, but we're going to have to save that for next time. So if you want to see next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Peace out.